si Mayor Clarence Uy. And importante kayo ang suporta ni Mayor and the City Council led by Vice Mayor Bebot because without support for tourism, maglisod yung tao, create og mga programs, create og mga events nga makadani og turista dinhi. And we see that now, it's very evident in the city that the mayor, the vice mayor, the councilors, and of course the tourism office led by Marky has a dedication and passion for tourism, and we'd like to thank you all for that. And it is very evident now in the celebration of the Higalay Festival, in the celebration of this Tourism Week, which is the first, right? And the first of many, that the heart is important in tourism development because not only are we promoting destinations, but we are helping our communities. For every peso that the tourist spends, it impacts well not only on the establishments like the tour operators or the restaurant, but it also impacts on the farmer, on the vendor, on the motorella driver, which is very important for us in the DOT to promote sustainable development. And so, apart from inviting tourists, ang ako yung gusto i-emphasize po is, let us patronize our own. So I think kita as Cagayanons, we have a duty to the city to go around the city and help our vendors. Kaunta dito sa ato ang night market, moadto ta sa Sinulong Falls, moadto ta sa ato ang mga establishments to really pump up the economy. No? So before ta mo atog Hong Kong or Davao or Manila, ani po ta dinhi magsuroy-suroy. And that's really the essence of tourism. Not only are we promoting, but we are also helping our people out. And it really goes back to the program of our government nga, poverty alleviation and economic viability. Kay mo man yun ni kung madato or mo progress ang atong mga tao, that is when we see real progress in the city. So I think maong yun sad na ang naasa kasing-kasing ni Mayor Clarence Uy ug ni Vice Mayor Bebot Rodriguez, nilang Congressman Rufus, nga tabangan yun ang atong mga tao na mo asenso. And one of the ways that we can do that is by tourism. So we should be helping as Cagayanons, we should be going around, giving our money, giving our time, and also being our ambassadors na naman tayo social media, we should talk about it kung unsa kalami ang pagkaon sa Cagayan de Oro, kung unsa kagwapong ato ang mga tourism sites, and kung unsa ka hospitable ang atong city. Because gikan sa atong tanan, mao gyud na ang tinuod nga makapromote sa atong turismo dinhi sa syudad. So again, congratulations to the City Tourism Office, to Mayor Rolando Clarence Uy for this meaningful Tourism Week celebration. And let us make tourism more meaningful by doing our part in creating a sustainably wonderful tourism development in our city. So again, daghan kaayong salamat. Love Cagayan de Oro, love the Philippines.